how to turn on live captions on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to go to your settings. So search for the settings and then open it up. And now you will see various options on the left hand side. Go to accessibility and then here search for live captions. So you can see the caption option right here. And then you can find the live captions. You just need to toggle it on, or you can see that you can even press the Windows plus Control plus L to turn on the live captions. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.